lights, that's a traffic stop.
A traffic stop so for traffic stops you take heat for traffic stops. My traffic stop is for because my lights are not correct. Because my citation for my lights not wrong, right? My citation. What are you opening up my door for?
Because I need to step out of the car for you.
Sir, for what?
Because there's weed in the car. I can smell it.
You don't know where the weed came from. I just told the officer why I might have smelled like marijuana.
Okay. You have a step out of the car.
No.
Step out of the car, please.
No, bro. That's dead on everything.
Step out of the car.
That's dead as fuck.
The car smells like weed. Step out, please.
I'm not being serious. The car can... I can know because I smell.
You are about to go to jail for obstructing official business.
Ma'am, I could smell the weed.
Traffic stop. You pulled me over for a motherfucking traffic stop. You racist ass bitch. Oh fucking everything. Oh everything. You did that shit because I was black. No, for real, this shit is racist as fuck. Second stop. I swear to fucking God. It's fuck. This shit was fucking happened to me. Oh everything.
Step out of the car for me.
Step out of the car for what? For what? For what? You put me over because of my lights! Run me in a fucking citation! You don't know where I was! I said I was at a party, there could have been niggas, they're smoking too! You don't know shit!
Step out of the car for me.
That's not probable cause for me to get out the motherfucking car.
Either you step out or we can escort you out.
Bro, you gonna get punched in your motherfucking face, I swear to God.
You are about a heartbeat away from going to jail right now.
But to go to jail for what? I didn't do anything!
Obstructing official business.
I didn't threaten to punch you in the face.
Get out of the car, or we take you to jail and we tow your car. You don't want to go through all that.
Did you smell it too?
Ooh, gun.
Да, пешеходный переход.
Ребенка, господи, ужас какой. Пойдемте поможем хотел.
I don't know. What do you got in your hand? Okay, sir. Sir. What do you got in your hand? What is on your lap? Sir? Sir. Sir! Put it down now! Put it down now! Hey, I need some help over here. Shots fired.
Good to see you back working here.
You okay? What's in your hand? Put it down now! I'm fine, but he's hit. That's clear. Clear, I'm good, he's hit. Looks like the leg, the side of the chest. No, it was just him. He's sitting here in the carport. They're coming, they're coming. I got it, Lynn. Let me see your hands. Lynn, let me see your hands. Do not reach for anything. Next driveway, next driveway. relax. There's some...
Ё-моё! А что случилось-то?
Да вон машина тоже ушла. Остановимся.
Останавливайся.
Вот, блин, пошел на обгон, решил это. И второй вон туда ушел. И это совсем перевернулся.
There is a message for you.
Header 28 override. There is a message
for you.
You should jack to the call, license plate.
Who did that?
Good morning. I'm
Yeah.
also new with the Palin Police Department. So your driver's license and
Hold
your
on,
proof
first
of
of all-
financial responsibility.
Hey,
Don't
hold
reach
on.
under your seat, man. Don't reach under your seat.
No. I'm
Don't
getting
reach
my-
under your seat, man.
No, I'm getting my...
Don't
car.
reach under your seat. Do what I tell you to.
Hey, dude, you better...
Hey, dude,
calm
don't
down.
reach under the seat.
I'm getting my
I don't
stuff,
care.
man.
Don't reach under the seat.
Didn't you just ask me for my driver's
Don't
license?
reach under the
So
seat
what are you pulling me over for anyway?
because you're speeding. Let me see your driver's license and your proof of financial responsibility.
That was my driver's license.
Okay? Need the other paperwork I was asking for. Okay? All I want is the one sheet that says that this vehicle is insured.
Man, I'm not worried about no policeman talking about killing me. I'm just trying to figure out why you pulling me over.
Is there any reason for you speeding?
I don't... Where did you see me speak?
On Shadow Creek, the 12300 block of Shadow Creek. The 12300 block of Shadow Creek.
Coming from the, where? Coming from where?
The 12300 block of Shadow Creek.
What was that?
I don't know any other way how to explain it. It's the 12300 block of Shadow Creek.
Well, at the 12300 block of Shadow Creek, why didn't you put the light on me? Why did
Because
you
it
stop me all
took
the
so
way
long for me to catch up to you because you were speeding so fast.
Man,
Can I see the other paperwork I was
when did
asking
you clock me at speeding?
65.
Dude, are you okay? Hey man, here. Let me do this. So I'm gonna respect you.
Thank you.
Okay.
I appreciate that.
If you clocked me at 65, I just lost my mama within the last year. On my mama, ain't no way you clocked me at 65.
I wouldn't have pulled you over if I wasn't 100% sure that you were doing 65 and a 50.
I understand.
So
I understand. If you say I was doing 65, you clocked me. You got me on radar locked at 65. That's what you're
right.
telling me. Boy,
go ahead and stay here in your vehicle. I'll be right back with you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Come on out here for a second. Come on out here for a second. Come on out here for a second.
Why do I need to come out?
Come on out here for a second.
Oh, you arresting me or something?
I don't know that yet. No, right now you're just getting a ticket.
Okay, well, why do I need to step out?
Come on out here for a second.
Man, you know, with all the stuff that's happening,
You're in a
I'm a
lit
big guy.
parking lot.
I'm a big guy.
Okay.
And you're a little guy. And I don't want you to think that anything. You've already pulled a taser out on me.
No, I pulled my gun on you because you're reaching under the seat. Come on, step out of the
To
car.
get my license.
Step back here.
To get my license.
Here's the deal. Step back here to my car. I don't know what you were reaching for underneath the car.
Yeah,
Okay?
man, but
So
all
I'm
the
going to take a
stuff
look. If there's nothing there, no guns, nothing,
I don't
we're
have
good to
any
go.
guns.
We're
You
gonna
don't have no
finish.
permission
Hold
to check my car?
on. I don't need it. I don't need it. Go ahead and step
Well,
over here.
man,
Because
hold on.
hold on. No, run back
Well,
to your car.
just go ahead and arrest me then.
I'm not
if that's the
arresting
case.
you.
Well,
Step
why
back
do you
to my
need to
car.
check my car? I don't have a
Because
gun.
you're making furtive movements. Go ahead and step back there.
Are you serious?
Step over to my car.
I don't have
I
no
haven't
gun.
pat him
I
down
don't
yet,
carry
so
a
he's
gun.
making furtive movements already.
Oh, my God.
That's all I wanted to see. I wanted to know if you were trying to pull
I
a
don't
gun on
have
me.
a gun.
So
I
I'm
don't
done with
carry
that
a
part
gun.
of it. You're going to get a ticket. Give me
Give me
1
a
second.
ticket.
Let me finish up my paperwork,
Give
and
me a
you will be
ticket.
on your way.
Give me a ticket. See, this is how people get hurt, man. I could get hurt because you asked me for my license.
Well, here's the deal.
For my license.
And what did I say? What did I tell you? You were not listening to me. I told you don't reach under the car. You reached under the car again. I
To
told you
get
don't
my
reach
license.
What would a normal person do in that situation?
Oh my God.
They would
Okay,
say,
man.
hey, hold on a second. My license is under here. Can I get it? That's what they would say.
Do
A normal
do we
person and
honestly,
90% of
do
the
we
people that I
honestly,
interact
you
with.
step up on the car and say, give me your license. I go to get my license and you got a gun on me?
You're taking it out of context.
Okay.
That is not what happened.
Okay.
What is your current phone number?
Man,
What is your current phone number?
Man, and you know what? I just
What is your current
had a
phone
crowd of
number?
300. Man,
You're receiving a citation for speeding 65 and a 50. That's partially
you know
based
what?
on your driving history, which is horrible. You've had several suspensions in your past and several violations of all different types.
I speed, but
You're required to
didn't-
contact
you
your
didn't
insurance court
catch-
on or
you didn't
before
catch me
October 6,
speeding at
2015 at
coming
9
out of
a.m.
Buc-ee's. I know
Up
you
here at
didn't.
the top is the phone number. What I'm underlining for you is the address to show up to. If you could sign right here at the line that I pointed out for, it's not saying that you're guilty, it's saying you promised to show up in court.
I'm going to show up in court. There you go, sir. Like I said, my mama died August 8th a year ago.
I'm sorry to hear that.
If you saw me speeding and you drove all the way down, I'm watching you in my rearview mirror. You drove all the way down here to this light to give me a ticket, then so be it.
Okay. What is
Okay.
the speed limit on Shadow Creek?
Hey, man, it's 50 miles an hour.
Why
And
are
I'm
we
just
doing
trying to
65?
show me where you locked me in at 65. At the show me.
I'm not required to.
Why not? But you're required to stop me coming all the way down a whole mile down the road?
Recorded in the video.
Okay.
Here's your
it's all
copy.
good. Thank you.
Do you
Y'all
want your
have a good
license
night.
back?
Yeah, I sure do. Yeah, I want my license back.
Okay. Don't walk up on me. Have a good day.
Dude, don't help me. Have a good night.
Thank you.
I'm gonna have my lawyer talk about it. You can show that video how you pull a gun on me after you asked me for my license.
It'll be in court.
Из машины, бегом! Из машины!